Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Canon printer, as you can see. In front of me Canon MG5700 series, and now I'm going to show you how to change the cartridge, how to change the inks in this printer. So as you can see, I bought a new ink for color printing. So in our printer we have two black inks, black for black and white printing and black for color printing. So firstly we need to open this cover, so not the copying and scanning cover, no, but this front cover. So just open it, and as you can see the cartridges are opened too. So now I will close it and I will show you again. So wait a while, open, and wait for cartridges will open too. Great. And as you can see, here's my red, yellow, blue, black for black and white. As you can see, PG, BK, and BK is black color, black ink for color printing. So as you can see, this lamp on my black for color printing is blinking, so it means that we need to change it. So just press on this plastic part of the ink, and then just when the lamp is not blinking now, so just get it out. And as you can see, here's we have old inks, and here we have new ink. And as you can see, on the new ink we have this orange cover, so we need to take it out. To take the cover out, we need to open this part, and that's it. And now just insert the new black ink into the printer. And great, as you can see now my lamp on the ink is not blinking, and it means that I have new black ink for the color printing. Close the cover and wait a while. Okay, as you can see, wait a while. Okay, I had the message that new inks was installed for in the Canon printer, and that's it. So now we can use our new inks on our Canon printer. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.